Good morning, Icon Condominium.
Guard, this is the available units. He live at the back.
Yes, white
Do you
tree.
want to check?
So what is the cheaper?
Guard!
This is lobby.
Patawag si Bunso! Oo, sumalis. Wala pa si Bunso. You need to first speak to sir. You want to check the list?
Yes, I also check.
More better. Big room.
What happened? Electric what? Yeah. And they have same this one bedroom. You see, it's nice furniture, everything. Very
It's
good.
like your room, yes?
Huh?
Your room same, no?
I think little bit just turn, but it's maybe it's little bigger. My room is bigger.
Mm-hmm.
What happened then? Not
Bigger?
electric. What?
Wow.
Huh?
Your room is bigger?
Bigger, yeah.
Wow.
Little bigger. We go into.
I don't know, don't have.
But it's nice furniture. You see, you have
Light.
nice view. Very, you have balcony. Going from the balcony.
Mm.
TV, it's small, like everywhere, you know. I changed. What?
Mm,
What's
I see.
it? About the Let's see, 13. But you see,
This is townhouse for 35,000 peso. You can see Toyota. This is Toyota FJ, and this is 2 floors. 35,000 only. It's available before. And before Georgi lived in the LT suite, this building. Very close. Here more better, of course. Silent. Swimming pool also have. A new aircon. Already light have.
nice, you see.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice.
Very
It's
nice.
new aircon
I
inverter.
think for this price you will not find better, you know. Now we go to look, they have one bedroom same. One we put down in all etage. This is for you the best.
No
you know.
smoking
You
is
can sit in
good.
there, you can work in here, you can here some girl coming, you sitting here, she's sitting here.
Mm-hmm.
Have washing machine, everything. You see, everything. Then this, I didn't know. Then it's maybe about owner, because I say I rent this, then saying no, there is better. But it's
Hi,
really
guys.
bigger, you know. But not have chair. I must buy chair. You understand? This is nice furniture. You see, very nice. About me. Yeah, you have washing machine too. And microwave is here. You see, microwave.
Mm-hmm.
Micro and deep fridge. Yeah. But you look, it's
Mhm.
small kitchen, big bed, then we have nice TV, have louder, everything. 3 balcony.
3
You see,
balcony.
1, 2, 3 balcony.
Мгм.
1, 2, and 1 here, 3 balcony. But I think this is, you see, big bedroom, and big bed.
Kitchen.
And you see, brother, how big is pool? You can swim like really swim. Look at big pool. Then you swim You understand? Not just to going inside.
Yeah, big.
You see pool and big bed. This is king size.
You remember this is townhouse, 35,000. Even now available. Don't have people now.
And here it's green, you know. Green, fresh. Air is good. Walking here in the morning. This is nice. Very nice. Nice size, very nice. Big. Sofa. Nice. You see, this sofa for, what do you say?
At how much, Aslan?
I didn't know. I not ask. For this I not ask. I don't ask for this.
So it's another
Have
balcony.
3 balcony, you know.
Oh, rain now. Typhoon now in Angeles, in the Philippines. Typhoon. Many roads is flooded.
But if you compare this and this in the candy, it's same price. But here it's more comfort and more nice everything.
Another building is also. We will go to another building.
You come, no problem.
No, I don't need umbrella. I use.
Yeah, you have one around. Okay.
This is another building. Another building lobby.
What's in that?
Ага, this is small.
This one. This I didn't know had smaller like this. You
Yeah,
understand?
smaller. First floor.
Now I show you this mic, but they have available second pickup. Also,
Yeah, this is first floor. I think it's not better. Not good. Better upper floor.
Yes, 6th floor.
Ah, sixth floor better.
Yes?
Okay.
It's on the road.
We're going to second floor.
yeah, this is same size like me. Yeah,
What price for this?
same size. This is same size. Same like me. Same. Yeah, I just changed. Bed there, and this there.
Ah,
And
so
this-
you pay
Yeah,
30
it's same price.
It's
I don't
30,000.
like to have a window and same size. You see, but it's looking very nice.
No big.
You see, very nice.
Very nice, very nice.
A price very nice or not? You don't know. 30,000, he said. No, for 30,000.
Yes, very nice.
Because in Korea hotel price 38, 35 1 month, 35. But it's I don't know, motel. It's not hotel. But it's here more better. Check Wi-Fi connection speed.